name's Philip. I have over 40 years of construction experience, and you learn something every day. Did you know that there is over 50% more profit to be made in your construction project just by identifying things that add no value to your project, or in other words, waste? There are 8 of them. Defects, overprocessing, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, extra processing. This is what downtime does to your profits. It blasts them away. Yes, your dollars go all over the place except into your pocket. We have a typical electrical crew performing a rough-in on one dining room kitchen remodel. Watch as we track their motion. Could you see the waste? What we just saw happens every day. We see where technicians, in this case electricians, are very busy. What Lean teaches us is how to see what activities adds value to the project and what activities do not. In fact, as we're about to show you, many times the non-value adding activities cause additional waste. In the center of the room, you'll see the very first waste, inventory. Now you might be thinking, but the electrician needs material, and the answer is, of course he needs his material. But one of the questions that come to mind is, there a better way the material can be made available at the moment and place it is needed? We see motion waste every time the electrician has to cross the room to get material. At times we see one electrician waiting on another to get out of his way. When one individual is waiting on someone else and does not have another task to perform while waiting, affords another waste called non-utilized talent. Our observation also shows overprocessing. This waste was manifest itself with extra holes being drilled that were not needed. In fact, when there was poor communication, another waste was made its way into the job site, extra processing, which took place when wire was taken overhead between outlets when it could have been run straight across. Because of the lack of planning and no clear assignment for each task, there is a possibility of 2 more wastes. There could be a defect in the circuitry, which could require an additional trip to fix it, thereby creating the waste of transportation. All of these wastes cost money. Every dollar that is spent on waste could be going into your profits. An example, by creating a cart to allow the electrician to take his material with him to each location will eliminate 35% of the motion currently required to access the material in the center of the room. Can you use an extra $1,000? Let Lean make your life easier and more profitable while having fun.